HRA Medical Management is a medical billing company that primarily focuses on billing for patient visits for emergency rooms, hospitalist groups, and trauma physicians. If you file a claim with your insurance company, what will happen is you generally will get in the mail something that shows exactly what services were being billed for, exactly what was being paid, exactly what was paid to the provider. That's an explanation of benefits. And what we get is we get something similar to that along with a check. And we have to process those payments obviously onto the patient's accounts so that they can be credited properly. Before DocXP, we were outsourcing 90% of our payment entry to India. The disadvantages to outsourcing is the fact that it takes time to key in all of that information. Plus, for our current outsourcing contracts, you actually pay per payment that's being made rather than paying someone, say, on an hourly basis. The switch over to DocXP is really kind of taking everything to the next level. As part of my IT initiative with the company, what I really focus on is finding out what are all the different areas of the company and figuring out solutions to where we can process things electronically. There's literally thousands of different insurance companies in the United States, and each insurance company's EOB can be a little bit different. And that's one of the great things with the DocXP product is we can create a map for each one of those and still have it come out to a standardized output. The great thing is I only really have to pay for one interface on my system, where if I were to get it based on standardized outputs for each particular EOB, I would literally have to have a program written for each EOB. With the DocXP product, what I really get is I get an application that allows me to have a lot of different types of things coming in on the front end, but one format coming out in on the back end. And then I can create, from that one format, I can just upload it all and process it to the system. We're kind of working in conjunction with each other to make sure that we have a product that not only works well for us, but a product that they can take and be able to apply to other people as well. It's going to reduce our overhead as a company, it's going to streamline our process, and it's actually going to really make HRA a much more efficient organization when it comes to processing the patient payments. We have one 1,100-page EOB that we're processing right now. It processes a couple hours on the server. The operator sits down with it for about 20 minutes. With the DocXP product in place, we could actually, from a marketing perspective, be able to tell our clients that within 24 hours of your payment coming in the door, it will be keyed in and it will show up on the patient's account. If someone came to me and asked me about the product and if that was something that they could implement successfully in their organization, I would absolutely tell them that it is a great product that I think would provide them tremendous benefits.